Vice President Sara Duterte is asking how could President Bongbong Marcos be so confident at this point that the ongoing investigations into the flood control scandal won't eventually lead to him. In a media forum on Thursday, October 16, Duterte says the president should not be too sure that the flood control probes will not eventually point to him as investigations are still ongoing.
Sa ganitong ongoing pa yung investigation kuno at inquiry kuno, sobrang magtataka ka bakit confident yung Pangulo na hindi aabot sa Office of the President yung iskandalo at yung korupsyon.
In an interview on Wednesday, October 15, the president said he was confident that the probes would not ultimately lead to his office. Marcos argued that they did not do anything related to the scandal, which has sparked nationwide protests. However, he also said that they will follow the evidence wherever the investigation leads. For Duterte, this only means that Marcos might already have an idea of the outcome of the investigations.
So ibig sabihin, siguro alam na niya kung ano yung kalalabasan ng inquiry at ng investigasyon. Kasi wala namang iba sigurong explanation kung bakit napaka-confident mo sa mga mangyayari pa. Wala pa akong nahanap na tao na alam kung ano yung mangyayari bukas. Siya pa lang, si BBM pa lang.
The vice president likewise expresses confidence that she and her office will not be implicated in the controversy.
Sigurado ako hindi aabot sa akin ang flood control scandal. Kasi unang-una, wala namang flood control projects sa OVP or sa Department of Education. At makakasabi naman talaga ang mga contractors and even si Secretary Bunuan, wala talaga akong at all project dyan sa DPWH.
Marcos previously said no one will be spared from the investigations into the anomalous flood control projects.